polls have opened in Serbia in a parliamentary election seen as a de facto referendum on whether the country should seek EU membership. Prime Minister Aleksandar Vučić called the vote 2 years early, seeking a clear mandate to continue with reforms before the country could join the EU. Polls have suggested a win for his Progressive Party, but discontent with Mr. Vučić's pro-EU stance looks set to bring ultranationalists back into parliament. This is Serbia's third parliamentary election in less than 4 years. Some 6.7 million people are eligible to vote. Voting continues until 1800 hours GMT, and partial results are likely to come a few hours after that. There are no exit polls. Opinion polls have indicated an absolute majority for Mr. Vučić in parliament. We want to complete the process of privatization, speed up private investments, and above all to spur the entrepreneurial spirit of the people, Mr. Vučić told Reuters news agency. Serbia has signed a €1.2 billion, $1.35 billion, £940 million loan with the International Monetary Fund. In return, it needs to implement austerity measures demanded by the group.